In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel in 5 simple steps. Plus, I'll be sharing key optimization techniques and verification steps that many overlook, steps that can boost your video's chances of being recommended by YouTube. By following these tips, you will be setting your channel up for long-term success right from the very start. So let's get started. The first step is to create a Gmail account. You can use an existing Gmail account or create one dedicated to your YouTube channel. I recommend creating a new one to keep your private account separate from your YouTube account. To do that, go to google.com. On the top right hand side, click on Gmail or sign in. Both links will allow you to create your account, but in this tutorial, I'm going to click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see create account. Please click on that. Now you'll see 3 options: for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. In this tutorial, I'm going to keep it very simple and I'll choose for my personal use. Now fill in your personal details, which include your name, your date of birth, and your gender. It will ask you to create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. Please note that your Gmail address can match your channel name. It's totally optional, but you can note that. For example, I'll be using Digital Queen as my Gmail address. That means my email address will be digitalqueen@gmail.com, while my channel name will be Digital Queen. Fill in your password and the remaining details. It will ask for your recovery email, but I'll be skipping that in this tutorial. Now ensure you fill all your details correctly, as this will be the email where you get updates on your channel activities, especially when it comes to monetization. Click I agree. Now that's it. Now there you go. You have just created a Gmail account that is dedicated to your YouTube channel. Now this takes us straight to step 2. Now it's time to create your YouTube channel. Sign in with your new Gmail by clicking on the 9 dots at the top right hand corner of the page and click on the YouTube icon from the Google app menu and choose create a channel. Click on the icon at the top right hand corner and click on create a channel. You'll see your new Gmail account name, but don't worry, we will customize this in the next step. Just click on create channel. Congratulations, there you go again. You just created your new YouTube channel. Now let's customize our channel. Under channel customization are 5 key elements, and we will take them one by one as they appear on the page. So let's click on customize channel. Now number 1 is banner image. This is your YouTube billboard, so make it eye-catching. You can choose from the presets in the YouTube gallery, or you can use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design your banner. The ideal dimension is 2560 x 1440 pixel. This will give you the best results across all devices. Now click on upload and select your newly designed image from your computer. Please keep all the important information in the center of the banner so it does not get cut off on different devices. YouTube is showing you how it will look like in different devices, so make sure you set it properly. This is how it will look like on TV, this is how it will look like on desktop, and this is how it's viewable on other devices. So please set it up properly and click done. Please keep your banner design simple but engaging. You can choose to include your upload schedule or social media links. However, note that you can change and upgrade this later as you get comfortable with the image you really want to project. Number 2 is profile picture. Click on upload a profile picture. This could be a logo or a high quality image of yourself. Aim for 800 by 800 pixel for the best results. Now click on upload profile picture and choose one from your computer. In this tutorial, I'll be using a logo and click done. Please note that this can also be changed at any time. Your profile picture usually appears next to your YouTube video or your comments. Now it's time to give your channel a name. Your channel name is super important. It represents you and your content, so choose something that is unique, memorable, and relevant to your contacts. So in this tutorial, our channel name is Digital Queen. And Digital Queen is all about digital skills. Also note you can change your channel name at any time, twice in 14 days. This takes us to channel handle. Your channel handle is like your social media tag on YouTube, which you use to communicate and connect with creators on YouTube. It is unique and no two people can have the same channel name. It can also be changed twice within 14 days. In this tutorial, I'll be using @digitalqueen as my channel handle. So this is not available, so you can put something after the Digital Queen that will be unique to your handle, but I'll just go with YouTube's recommendation. Number 4 is channel description. This tells visitors what your channel is all about. Be clear and concise and include keywords related to your niche. Make good use of the first few words because that is what viewers see as soon as they get into your dashboard. Quickly let them know that they are in the right place. For example, the brief description here will be I share tips and tutorials on digital skills. So this is the first thing your visitors will see before you begin to talk about the other things your channel is known for. Now add links to your sites. This will help viewers to stay connected to you and your latest video. You can add your website, your email address, your Instagram handle, Twitter address, and Facebook links. You can do this later if you choose to. Please note that the email on your YouTube channel is publicly displayed on YouTube, so it should not be the same as the email that we just created. This is recommended for security reasons. Number 5 is watermark. YouTube watermark is a small image or logo that appears in the corner of your YouTube video. It serves as a subtle way to promote your brand and help viewers subscribe to your channel without leaving the video. Click on upload and select a small clickable logo or image that represents your channel or the image of a subscription button. When viewers hover over the watermark, it displays a subscribe button. This makes it easier for them to subscribe directly from the video. Now set the appropriate display time. I will set the entire video. And that is all for customization. When you are done, click on publish to save your work and all the information you have typed in. Now we can briefly look at audio library. This gives you access to free music and sound effects that you can use without worrying about any copyright claim. Just pick the music you want and click on download, and you're ready to use the music. So let's look at earn. The earn page will show you everything you need to know about monetization. You can see it here. You would need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million public short views in about 90 days. So this page will show you your milestone, help you track your progress, and informs you when you achieve any of the monetization milestones. All you need to do is click here and type in your email, then turn on your two-step verification. You need this to complete your monetization process. Step 4 is key settings and channel verification. These are crucial for maximizing your channel's potential and ensuring its security. So we take it step by step again as it is shown on the screen. Starting with general. There's nothing much here. It's basically the currency you want to be seen on your YouTube channel. But YouTube pays in US dollars. So it's all up to you to choose the currency you want to put in here. Let's click on upload defaults. Here you have basic info and advanced settings. Now for basic info, the settings here are only applicable when you create and are ready to upload your new video. However, you can set visibility now. It is recommended that you set your visibility to private or unlisted. Here I'll set it as unlisted while you get your video all set up, so you don't mistakenly upload a video you do not want the public to see yet. Also for tags, you can put in tags that are relevant to every single video you upload, and then add for each new video you create if you need to do so. So whatever tags you put here will show in all your videos, and whatever description or title you put here will show in all your videos. So you only fill them up when you are ready to upload a new video. Let's click on advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you don't have much to do here. This is where you moderate your comments. Basically, you see how many viewers like your comments. So there's nothing much to do on advanced settings. Let's go to permission. You can give people permission to comment and manage your YouTube channel. For example, your assistant, you can allow them to moderate comments here. So let's click on channel verification. This is the most important part of the settings. Under basic info, you select the country of your residence. I reside in Nigeria, so I'll click on Nigeria here. Then you set your keywords or key tag that are related to your channel for optimization. This is very important to help YouTube recommend your channel. Put in keywords that your potential viewers are searching for so that they can find your channel. For example, in these tutorials, we're all about digital skills. So our keywords will include things like tutorials, skills, online marketing. You get the drift. So this is very, very important to help your channel to be found easily. And then you click on save. Then you go to advanced settings. The most important part in the audience is the setting for kids. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Now, if your channel program is not meant for kids, please verify by clicking "They are not meant for kids." If not, you will have to answer that question whenever you need to post a new video. And if you mistakenly click "Yes, it's for kids" and post contents that should not be for kids, this could get your channel banned. YouTube takes this very seriously. The feature eligibility settings will give you access to more features for your channel, so you can unlock features like custom thumbnails, longer uploads above 15 minutes, and live streaming. Now let's look at this. Number 1, standard feature has already been enabled, so we need to enable the intermediate features. Let's click on it. Under the intermediate features, we will need to verify our channel by verifying our phone number so that we can have access to videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Simply click on verify phone number to enable this feature. So verifying your phone number lets you access additional features on YouTube and help us make sure you are a real YouTube creator and not a robot. So here you click on either text me the verification code or call me with an automated voice message. I prefer text me the verification code. I'll select my country here and then I'll put in my phone number. Enter your 6-digit verification code that was sent to your phone and click submit. It's quick and easy. Congratulations, your phone is now verified. You can now see that we have access to all these features. They have been enabled. You can now have videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. Note that verification also increases your channel credibility. And then you click on save. There you go. You have just set up your key settings and channel verification. It is that simple. Now, once you've customized your channel and you've done your key verification and setting, it's time to upload your first YouTube video. To do that, click the create button at the top right hand corner and select upload video. Now add a catchy title here and a detailed description and tags with relevant keywords to help your video get discovered. Don't forget to add a custom thumbnails. You can use free tools like Canva to design professional looking thumbnails that stand out. I will be making a video on how to upload your YouTube video step by step and how to make a professional thumbnail very soon. So subscribe to my channel to get that notification. Now, to increase the chances of YouTube recommending your channel, optimize for keywords in titles, descriptions, and tag. Use engaging, high quality custom thumbnails that stand out in search results. YouTube algorithm considers the click-through rate as a major factor in recommending videos. And that's it. You have successfully created your YouTube channel in 2024. Now it's time to start creating and sharing your content with the world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.